So the curved nail chisel will pass.
What is that called? Is that
He has it. Well, these in general are called Tsubanomi. He's got a specific name for this. It's the, I wrote it down. It's the hara or the hata or something like that for the curved one. So we just put it in our pilot hole, and we are essentially going to chisel down into and get a pilot hole into the plank beneath.
Come to the other side.
Yeah, we're just we'll be chiseling the curve. It'll follow. It's able to go through the mortise and then go maybe about that far into the plank beneath, and just give us a pilot hole for the nail. Okay, so Nina slightly bent the nails, hammering them to kind of match our curve, and so they just slip in, and then with the nail set, start to drive them home.
Sorry.
And then one of the interesting, watch out for wet glue, by the
Yep.
way. One of the things about Japanese boat builders is playing a rhythm while they drive the nail. I'm not especially good at it, but when I asked Bansho-san about it, he immediately said that it's play. He called it asobi. Uguisu no tane watari.
あれは江戸
What did he say?
Edo?
時間無駄あれは遊び
Asobi desu ka?
遊び必要ないよ全く
Oyaji-san, don don.
タンタタタンタタタンタと2回ちょっとああいうの手を入れればいいの釘に当たってるか確かめながらうぐいすの谷渡り
That's great. What he said when I said, "Do you do the nail rhythm?" He said, "That's the Edo era."